Alright, so today we're doing something a little bit different. We are going to be making baby soap. And I know I've already made baby soap once, but I'm going to be making something a little bit different with my baby soap. I'm using the same mold as I did the last time. So there it is there, ready to go. And we are putting, or I already have put into my lye water some goat milk. And I will be putting colloidal oats into my oils so that it becomes a little bit more gentle than the other one. And I am not scenting this one, so it will be an unscented bar. So in goes my lye water solution. And because there's a lot of lint, it's called lye lint. It's basically where the lye oxidizes and becomes a solid again in the liquid. I am just going to let that sit for a minute and drain off. And get every little bit of that lye water in there though. And because I'm using milk in my lye water, I have found that when I use a milk, it tends to oxidize a little bit faster, so I get more of the lye lint in there than I normally would. There. Make sure all of that lye water's off there and give it a stir. And just like before, this could take a little bit. Go. Okay, so I'm going to add my colloidal oats in now so that while it continues to thicken, it can be mixing the oats in as well. The benefit to doing an unscented baby soap is that when this is finally fully emulsified, I can turn around and just put it into the mold. I don't have to worry about it thickening up too fast because of a floral fragrance or anything like that. I think we're starting to get there. Still got a ways to go, but we're getting there. And I do believe we are at emulsification. Still seeing a little bit of separation there, so I'm going to give it just another 30 seconds or so on. All right, I think we're good. Move my paper towel over here to set my stick blender down on. And this is still nice and fluid, but it doesn't look like there's any separation there, so I am good. Let's get it poured in. All right. And there you have it. New batch of baby soap. And this one is unfragranced. But it does have oatmeal and goat milk in it. And there we go. So there you are. And I will bring you back when I pull it out of the mold. We'll see if we get a pretty looking soap like we did the last time when I did baby soap. Okay, welcome back. And as you can see, it's actually pretty hard. So we're going to take them out of the molds and see how they look on the other side. Wow. I think they look great. They're not full of holes like the other ones were. There. Beautiful, right? So these are goat milk and oatmeal baby soaps. So there they are. And these will be available on the website in a couple of days. They will have fully cured by the time this video goes up. And you can purchase them there. And just to help us out on the channel here, if you could possibly give us a great big thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And thanks again for joining us. And I'll see you again the next time. Take care.